Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a true off-road warrior, the new 2026 Yamaha YZ250. For years, the YZ250 has been a favorite among motocross and dirt bike enthusiasts, known for its raw power, lightweight build, and thrilling ride experience. The 2026 model takes this legendary two-stroke to new heights with refinements that keep it competitive in today's demanding off-road world. Let's take a closer look at what makes it so special. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 YZ250 stays true to its aggressive motocross DNA, with sharp bodywork and race-inspired graphics. The bike now features slimmer shrouds for improved rider movement and a refreshed color scheme that highlights its sporty character. The seat design is flatter and narrower, giving riders more flexibility during intense maneuvers. Lightweight plastics and improved ergonomics make the bike feel nimble and ready for track or trail. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the YZ250 is its iconic 249 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine, delivering explosive acceleration and unmatched responsiveness. For 2026, Yamaha has fine-tuned the power band to offer smoother delivery while retaining the raw punch riders love. The 5-speed gearbox remains precise, while revised intake and exhaust components boost efficiency. The chassis is lightweight yet rigid, and the KYB suspension has been reworked for better shock absorption on rough terrain and big jumps. Safety and technology. Yamaha balances simplicity with modern updates on the YZ250. The bike features a stronger braking system with wave-style discs for improved heat dissipation and stopping power. Adjustable suspension settings allow riders to customize performance for track or trail conditions. A lightweight digital meter provides essential information, and the bike's ergonomics ensure better control and comfort during demanding rides. Though still true to its no-nonsense racing spirit, the refinements make it more approachable. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250 keeps the legacy of two-stroke excitement alive while adding thoughtful updates for today's riders. With its explosive performance, sharp styling, and race-ready setup, it continues to be a top choice for motocross enthusiasts and off-road adventurers. Whether you're chasing podiums or carving trails, the YZ250 delivers pure riding thrills. Stay tuned to my channel for more news, reviews, and first looks at the bikes pushing the limits of performance.